Question number 131. A business analyst at Veridian Dynamics who already has the required permission to access data needs to create a new Canvas app that uses Dataverse. To follow the principle of least privilege, which out-of-the-box security role should you assign to this user? Option A, Environment Admin. Option B, Basic User. Option C, Environment Maker. Option D, System Customizer. The correct answer is option C, Environment Maker. Question number 132. You are a functional consultant for the sales department at Contoso Realty, and you are configuring Dataverse security, where teams have different requirements for record ownership and collaboration. You need to determine which team types meet the specific requirements. Which team type should you use? On the left side, you have the team types. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct team type. The first question is ability to own records in Dataverse. The correct team type is Azure Active Directory Group Team. The second question is provides permissions without a security role assigned. The correct answer is Access Team. Question number 133. As part of a financial policy update at Contoso International, the Brazilian real currency will no longer be used for new transactions. You must configure Dataverse to prevent a selection for future records while ensuring all historical data remains unchanged. What action should you perform? Option A, disable the Brazilian language pack. Option B, rename the Brazilian currency. Option C, delete the Brazilian currency record. Option D, deactivate the Brazilian currency record. The correct answer is option D, deactivate the Brazilian currency record. Question number 134. As the functional consultant for Evergreen Financial, you are configuring the security model for their new Power App used to manage client portfolios. The company structure includes a managing director, 2 regional directors, and 10 branch managers, with 5 financial advisors reporting to each branch manager. You have implemented a security model where branch managers view data for their direct report. The managing director views all data, and all financial advisors can see client information managed by their peers. You need to resolve several issues identified during testing. What should you do? The first question is, managers are unable to view all their report data. The correct answer is add the manager's name to the representative's user record. The second question is, the CEO is unable to view representative data but can view manager data. The correct answer is change manager hierarchy depth to 3. The third question is 5 support representatives can view only their own data. The correct answer is set up a position hierarchy. Question number 135. The sales analytics team at Contoso Limited is embedding a Power Apps visual into a Power BI dashboard that will be shared with external distributors who must authenticate to access it. You need to configure the solution. Which two actions should you perform? Option A. Set the Power BI service to authenticate users. Option B. Use a table in the Power BI dashboard. Option C. Publish to Power BI report server. Option D. Set the Power BI service to allow anonymous access. Option E. Share the Power Apps visual components with external users. The correct answers are Option A. Set the Power BI service to authenticate users. Option E. Share the Power Apps visual components with external users. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 136. The quality assurance team at Sterling Manufacturing requires a new system view to display all open product defect cases to every user in the company. In line with the organization's no-code policy for solutions, where should you create this view? Option A. Advanced Find. Option B. Entities component of a solution. Option C. Microsoft Excel template. Option D. System settings. The correct answer is Option B. Entities component of a solution. Question number 137. As a consultant for Pinnacle Enterprises, you are configuring a security model for 5,000 users that minimizes administrative effort. To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. The first question is, apply a security rule to everyone in a business unit. The correct answer is, assign the security role to the default business unit team. The second question is, ensure an individual can see records in their current business unit and a child business unit. The correct answer is, grant the user the parent-child business unit security permission. Question number 138. The patient record team at Contoso Health uses Dataverse to manage client files and needs to store a large volume of related documents. To control cost, the team requires a solution that minimizes the use of Dataverse file storage. You need to recommend a solution. Solution: configure SharePoint on-premises integration. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is Option B, no. Question number 139. A sales associate at AdventureWorks add a note to a contact record that includes the word running. A week later, the associate cannot find the contact records and needs to locate the original note to follow up. Solution: use Dataverse search to search for the word run. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Question number 140. You are a consultant for Apex Global Consultant using the data import wizard to import a client's corporate structure from a CSV file into the account table. The CSV file's name column represents the account name and its parent name column represents the account's holding company. All related records, including the holding companies, are located within the same import file. You need to configure the import to create the parent-child relationship between these records. What should you do? Option A. Map parent name in the CSV file to the parent account column. Select account name as the lookup criteria. Option B. Map parent name into the file to the parent account column. Select parent account as the lookup criteria. Option C. Create an alternative key on the account table by using the account name column. Do not map parent name in the file. Option D. Look up the record IDs of the record in the parent account column. Add the record IDs as a new column in the file. Map the new column to the parent account column. The correct answer is option A. Map parent name in the CSV file to the parent account column. Select account name as the lookup criteria.